Hey, welcome to the Money Tea. I know it's been a while, but guess what? I'm back like I never left. So anyway, look how gorgeous this place is. And yeah, so today we'll be talking about side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your own home. I mean, who doesn't want to make some extra money? So let's get started. Okay, so first up, we have starting a blog. So I know I might be biased, but starting a blog is actually one of the easiest way to make money online. And it's actually very easy to set up. And once you put in all of the hard work, like soon enough, you could earn up to like $1,000 a month extra. So the good thing about starting a blog is that you can actually blog about something that you're passionate about. So this can be cars, it can be airplanes, it can be yoga, it can be skincare, like anything that you care about, you can blog about. So how do you make money from blogging? Well, you can do it two ways. One is through affiliate linking. So basically when you write a blog, you put in links that link to like other products or like other blogs, and like that way if people click on the links, you know, like you are paid for that. Another way, and this is something that I've done, is that you can write blogs for like more established like blogs, right? So, and how this will work is that you approach like other blogs that are a bit bigger and you're like, hey, I can write you an article, and like usually they like pay around like $150 to like $200 per blog that you write for them. So all these are ways that you can make money blogging. So the second way to make money online is through editing and proofreading. So proofreading is a great side hustle for people who love to read and have great attention to detail. So if you're very good at spelling and grammar, like this might be just the right side hustle for you. So you might be wondering, what exactly is proofreading? Well, what you do is actually you provide the final check, you know, on blogs, on like manuscripts and like such and such, and you just like an extra eye to make sure that everything rhymes well, like everything is like correctly like spelled out, and like yes, like that's what you end up doing as a proofreader. So when you do proofreading, you actually work on a freelance basis and you pay per project. And what you end up doing is that you go to a site like Upwork where you upload your resume and your work experience as well as any other of your interests. And like pretty soon you will have like jobs coming your way. And the good thing about proofreading is that one, you can do it in your own spare time, and then two, it actually pays pretty well. And you can earn around like $20 an hour if you're very good at it. So side hustle number 3, and actually my favorite, is starting an online course. So online courses are huge at the moment, and I know for me, I'm enrolled in maybe like 3 or 4 of them. So if you think that you have a skill or you have a deep knowledge about a specific topic, you should go ahead and think about starting an online course. A lot of time when people think about online courses, they think like, oh, it needs to be something serious, like how to start your own business or how to code, how to use Python, how to use like C++. Like no, it actually does not need to be complicated like that. And sometimes the most successful online courses are on things like knitting, like yoga, like how to like lifestyle, you know, like skincare, or just like the most like random topics. All you need to do is just like think of like a specific topic that you think you're an expert in and that you have knowledge that people are willing to listen to and willing to pay for. There are also sites like Thinkific, which allows you to create online courses for free. Another good side hustle idea is to become a virtual assistant. So as a virtual assistant, you basically provide the same services as a normal assistant. This is like scheduling, like email, like proofreading, like setting up meetings, or whatever else that your client requires you to do. The only difference is that all of this is done from the comfort of your own home, and you don't have to go to an office or see anyone. So there's basically 2 ways to being a virtual assistant. One, you can be a part-time executive assistant, which is just like the normal like work that you do. And then the second way is to specialize in an area. Maybe you can specialize in email marketing and that becomes your specialty. Whatever service you offer, it all depends on you and what your particular skill set is. So how do you go about becoming a virtual assistant? Well, it's quite easy. Well, you can go about it by searching job ads, or you can go to sites like Upwork, upload your resume, and apply to as many different jobs as possible. And pretty soon you'll be able to start like earning money as a virtual assistant. So next side hustle, for those who are very good at tech, is building websites for clients. As you can imagine, so many people want to have websites, but not everyone knows how to design one. So if you have expertise in knowing how to design a website, you have previous experience in that, and you know how to use sites like WordPress and Squarespace, definitely think about designing websites for other people. So there are 2 things that are good about designing websites as a side hustle. One, you actually get to work in your own time. Secondly, another good thing about designing websites as a side hustle is because, you know, it's very like specialized and you need to have expertise in it. So it actually pays a lot of money, right? And it's up to you to decide how much you want to charge per website that you are creating. So getting started building websites is very easy, right? You can go to a site like Upwork, upload your portfolio, your resume, previous work experience, as well as information about the type of website you specialize in. And pretty soon you'll be able to start finding clients. And in case you're new to this, like, don't worry. All you need to do is make sure that you're pricing yourself competitively. So if it's your first time designing a website, don't charge the same price as like the highest guys like on the website. Just make sure that you are still competitive, but not too competitive, because you need clients, you know, to build your portfolio. And now for my favorite side hustle, because it's so easy, it's becoming a web tester. So basically, you have a whole lot of businesses that are eager to test out the website to make sure that the user like enjoys the material that's on it, that the user find the website like easy to use. So before a business can launch a site, they need people to test it out and make sure that everything is well. So you can be this person. Web testing is that it's actually very easy to become one, and you don't need any skills as long as you know how to use a computer and how to click on a website. Like, all that's required. And the best is that it actually pays around $20 an hour, like testing websites. So now you're wondering, okay, how do you get started as a web tester? So applying to become a web tester is so easy. What you can do is go to visit a site like usertesting.com, upload your profile, do a short training course, and keep your eye out on potential projects. And then when companies are there and they're looking for users to test the websites, you just have to sign up, and like pretty soon you'll have $20 an hour just sitting there and browsing a random website, which I'm sure you probably already do in your free time anyway. So friends, this is all that I have for today. I hope you find these side hustles to be very easy and very simple to do. And get started, earn a few bucks, and get that passive income. All right, until next time, cheers!